This is a Callaway C16 sports car. It's from 2008. It's based on a C6 Corvette. For a little bit of history, Callaway has been building and tuning Corvettes since the 1980s. They're known for the SledgeHammer, which was an 800 horsepower, 250 mile an hour C4 Corvette. They kind of dominated the early Corvette tuning scene back in the day. You can kind of think of them as a competitor to Langenfelter and some of the others, and they were sold through Chevrolet dealerships as kind of a factory approved modified package. The C16 here from Callaway is a very similar product, and it's kind of based on similar lineage as well. Now, to get to 200 mile an hour, Callaway didn't have to do as much work. The C6s are already a great car, but this is kind of like a little bit of extra cream on top. A little more power, a little more brakes, a little more suspension, and a whole different styling aesthetic that you kind of bring together on the C16. Underneath the hood is a modified LS3 by Callaway. These engines are rebuilt with new heads, a new cam, a valve train developed by Callaway, and on top is a Magnuson blower. They make about 650 horsepower at the crank, and frankly it's just like driving a big block. A lot of torque everywhere, but still pretty civilized. One of the great advantages about a supercharger over a turbocharger is the instant torque response. So there's no delay, there's no nothing. You kind of know what you're getting into as soon as you roll into the throttle. Callaway also modified the chassis just a little bit to help improve the performance of the Corvette. What you'll find is 10-way adjustable for compression and rebound shocks front and rear, with I-box springs front and rear to help increase the spring rates just a pinch. Callaway also installs their own 6-piston front, 4-piston rear brake calipers to help bring performance up there, with 2-piece rotors. One tricky part about the Callaway C16 is the fact that it has no door handles. In fact, there's hidden triggers for the door poppers underneath the paint. So by proximity of the quarter panel here, and once you pop it open, inside you'll find a leather wrapped interior. All this is done by Callaway, and it does feature some unique details in the embossments and details. Leather and suede throughout, and it's kind of just a nice OEM plus rendition of the Corvette interior. What this kind of car is great for is grand touring. So heading cross country any given time of day, any given weather, and just getting there. You have a little extra style over a Corvette, a little extra performance, and this is the kind of car we can go to the track day during lunch and take your significant other out for dinner in the evening. It's civilized while still being absolutely brutally quick anytime you ask of it. The supercharged LS is also extremely durable at the power level that is being asked of it, and you can go for more exotic cars in certain situations, but if you have any issues on the road, good luck getting it taken care of. However, if you're a driver and you actually want to put down some miles on something that is a little bit different than the average bear, this Callaway C16 is perfect for you.